Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today we're gonna look through the one of the biggest hidden gem sector in crypto, which many investors are telling will play an important role and will do a massive gains in the next bull run. So without getting delayed, let's quickly look over the sector. The sector we are talking about today is RWA, real world asset. So it's new sector, but it's one of the biggest sector. It will be the one of the biggest sector. Sorry. So firstly, what is RWA? Like imagine if you want to buy artwork, but most of us can not afford it because it's too expensive. But imagine like the artwork owners mints a token and puts that on a blockchain, so we can buy the token, so it will get a exposure for the artwork. That's simply an RWA. For more in detail, imagine Leo want to buy a house. The house cost $1 million. He doesn't have $1 million, but the owner of the house can mint a token. Let's say $1 million per token. He means around 1,000 per token, which will give around 1,000 token. So now Leo can invest in these tokens and will get exposure to the house. Likewise, like not even like if he has some money and you want to buy the house, but you didn't want to go through the lawyer, the stuff, too much time consuming and too much, it will cost too much money. So Leo can directly buy the house by using RWA. So here is how it will look like. You can see this is the report posted by Binance. This will look like token price bought in the US dollar. So we are now at the beginning stage. You cannot trust like many projects that can do this kind of stuff, because buying house is a big deal of matter. It's not like buying an NFT or other stuff. So this is at the initial stage, RWA, but it will become one of the biggest sector in crypto. So next, this is the TVL of RWA currently. It's around $2 billion for now. There are many projects that have already started like lending, borrowing and other stuff in RWA. But most of the project will not last for a long time, as it's gonna take a lot of time for it to fully be on the blockchain. So this is one of the article. So people are like expecting RWA sector to grow over $16 trillion market cap by 2030, which is less than a 7 year from now. $16 trillion is a huge amount. The crypto market is around like $1 trillion currently, so it's 16x from here. But the RWA sector is around only $2 billion. This is only stable. So if you combine every other, it will be around $2 billion. So if we divide 16 trillion by $2 billion, it will be around 8,000x. Yeah, 8,000x returns. It's quite a massive number. So now you know what is RWA and RWA TVL and futures of RWA. Like if this gets succeed, at where we can like see RWA at. This is for that. Let's quickly look over this thing. This is the article posted by CoinGecko. They have went a lot in details. I'll post a link in the description if you want to read the article. As they have put there, they have mentioned the tokens and what are their contribution to the real world asset, and if they are really working or it's a scam token. So I've read through this and I've like quite made a few tokens that will be a good investment in RWA sector. Like they have the bigger promise than other city tokens, scam tokens. Also, you can go in CoinGecko and like research. There are many tokens. You can see there are some tokens have volume, some tokens doesn't even have a volume. Okay, so this also I'll post the link, or you can just go in CoinGecko, categorize and RWA sector. So let's quickly look over the tokens that might do well or might survive in RWA sector. It's gonna be a long time. 2030 is not a small number. So first we have a MakerDAO. So MakerDAO has been one of the most active protocol working on integrating real world asset in their operation. Recently it was revealed like they have made over 80% of the fee through RWA sector, and they also have a good stable coin DAI, which is pretty strong at this market stage. So let's quickly look over the tokenomics of MakerDAO. They have over 900 million circulating supply and over max supply of 1 billion. They have already had 90% of the supply is already in the market, so it has less sell pressure. And all-time high of the token was 600,000, around 600,000, and all-time low 3 years ago was $160. So pretty good tokenomics, and They also have 4 billion in TVL, and trading volume is like around 58 million for now. At this the bear state is pretty decent. So for the price chart, at what level I'm expecting it like to buy the token. So this is weekly time frame, the huge time frame. If you see the token, just a second. So you can see like the token. Sorry, you can see the token has been tested this the green support. Sorry, I made the rectangle for the wider range, and it is supporting like this range quite some time for now. The level is around 500 $500. So $500 is the its support area. If it breaks, then we don't know at what level it can fall. Maybe to 300 to 400 will be the level, because there is no like bigger time frame that we can look for that. And this level, the red box which I've made, is a big resistance level, because there is a huge order block. Every time the price goes above it, it fills the order and quickly rejects the order price. So for it's simple like this simple range trading. So if you wanna buy, just wait for the range around $600 to $500, and if you wanna like get out of the position, you can sell around, you can sell around $1,400 $1,300. If you are expecting for the long term, you can also wait for the price to get its previous all-time high, which will be from there it will be around 10x. It will be around 12 13x. But as I told, RWA sector will be massive. So if the price goes around this level, or if the price even went to like $400 to $300, I will be buying at that area. Currently I'm thinking like I will not buy, I will just wait for the few days, as recently we have also got a fake ETF news, and it has heavily manipulated the market. So for that reason and other reasons like global economics and other stuff, I'm not currently buying it. But if the market shift stands, and like let's say we have ETF approval, then I will be jumping on the trade. So next we have Pendle, the new token that have been recently launched. You can check it. Its circulating supply is around 96 million, and max supply over 260 million. Okay, so not a good ratio, but it's recently launched token, so it will take time like for it to like get over 90% circulating supply. It also have 167 million TVL, pretty decent, not bad, and 25 million trading volume, which is pretty good. MegaDAO had over 60 million I guess. So the all-time high of this is around $2, 2.4 to $5 2 years ago, and all-time low around 11 months ago, which was 0.33 cent, which is half the price from here. So let's quickly look over the things. So I have sorry, this is not the wider range, this is the Binance listing. For it, like let's quickly look over the price action. So this white box area is my buying zone. Like at least if it supports or holds the price over here and like do consolidation, and like if everything looks good, then this will be my buying zone. It's around 50 cents to 40 cents or 30 cents, even if it goes below that level. And this range will be my short-term taking profit range, as from above this range is like highly there are so many order blocks, and price will not like go above this for quite a few time. I'll check the price action, like if it goes, then I'll be holding few tokens, but 50% I'll take profit over here, which is around let's say we get the 47 cent zone, almost 100%, not bad. So this is one of the RWA coins that I was watching. And we have centrifuge. Next one is centrifuge. Let's quickly go through the centrifuge. The protocol mentioned above all were the good example into the DeFi ecosystem. However, they are all focused in credit, expect to bring the colors on chain credit ecosystem. Centrifuge comes around, allow the firms the real world asset brought in the tokens asset to be bought on the ecosystem, and has slightly different mechanism by cooperating. So if you wanna like go over the things, it's quite big. You can read it, but centrifuge edge literally this is like one of the like great token for the RWA sector. You can see it has a volume over 352,000 and market cap of 100 million, which is quite low. This is a low, very low market cap, and you can say market maker will like pump the price, dump the price. S- and if you want to go for the longer cycle, for the buying the RWA, then I'll suggest the MakerDAO token, as it is quite old, and it has a good price action, and it is quite well known in the market. So centrifuge, 360 million tokens circulating and 447 million, quite good, quite decent. Only like less than 80 million is remaining for it to be fully circulating, and it has fully valuation over 140 million, so it's quite low market cap. And all-time high is $15 and all-time low is 1 cent. So if you look through the price action, you can see like it has been consolidating in this range for quite a long time, from May of 2022 to at the rate which is 16 today. No, sorry, it is 18 today. And if we see, it's quite a range, range trading. You can see buy the token here, sell the token here, 200%, pretty decent number, and it's like quite working in this range. So I will be like buying the token when it's gets around 1.4 cent or around 2 cents. 0.2 cents will be a good entry area, and if it's hold this area, then I will be holding the token. If it breaks this level and retest and it goes down, like it will be like this, it will come here, break it, retest, then go down, then I will be selling all the tokens. Or if it breaks it, reclaims it, and it can like break this sorry, this level too. So for that, I'm looking at this range trading. Of course, I'll be holding the sports, not the futures market. It is a long period of time. And with that saying, this is another token for the RW sector. So all the token I have shown over here were the small caps, and they might not last for the bigger time frame. Expect MakerDAO. These other two tokens might not last for the longer time, but if you are looking for the next bull run, then they might last until 2026, and they might also get more institutional adoption. If that happens, then it will be a massive news for these tokens and price might rally. But for now, I'm heavily buying. I'll be buying MakerDAO at the price range 500 to 400 if it comes over there. One of the another coin that I'm very excited about. This is the K33 research on the Chainlink, saying that in the RW sector, Chainlink token is the one of the great tokens to buy and have a very big exposure in the market, and it's the one of the safest bet in the RW sector. So you might know Chainlink token. They have been around for a long period of time, and they are heavily used in the DeFi sector, and now they are getting like in the tokenization of asset. Pretty good, pretty bullish news. So let's quickly look over the Chainlink. With the circulating supply of 556 million and max supply of 1 billion, which is pretty big number, and even having being a very old token, their circulating supply and max supply is like 50%. Like they have only 55% the circulating supply is only available. So they are releasing the token like in, I guess, weekly basis or something. They are slowly like releasing the tokens, so it will take time. Go through the tokenomics, like you can see they have like plan of releasing everything in 2023, but I don't think it's a good schedule. They have like made a new schedule like when they are gonna release the old tokens, which I guess is like releasing slowly in the markets without having like biggest PC fund directly releasing in the market and crashing the price. So that's where the tokenomics. You can see like fully diluted valuation is around 7 billion, big number, and volume like Chainlink has a good volume, like 187 million per day, pretty decent. With having the all-time high of $52 and all-time low of 14 cent. It was 6 years ago, and all-time high was 2 years ago. So that's for the Chainlink. Let's quickly look over at what range it will be good to buy a Chainlinks. So this is again once again the weekly time frame. Same as like centrifuge, you can see like it is range trading. Range trading is one of the like easier and safest bet you can do have on range trading. So if the price goes around $5 to, let's say, $6 to $5 range, then buying at that range will be a good number, good buy zone, and you can sell the tokens around $9, or from the recently high you can also say this is the range trading. It's 7.9 or $8. $8 is a pretty good decent sell zone for the link. After $8, there I've seen like there is a huge order block and huge resistance over there. Until it breaks this range, I will be considering like this range for now for the range trading. And if you Yeah, you can check like this is heavy support area. It has been retested like very much time. So let's say that is the one way, like same as centrifuge. What happens like if the price comes here, breaks it, retest, goes down, then you can expect the price to drop like way below. Like you can make this range $1 to $4, which I guess this will be a good support area. $4.3 to this should be another range if Chainlinks does that, and pretty good. Like I can buy more tokens, and this is one of the final thoughts for the RWA sector. So this is new sector in crypto market. It is not quite old, and it is quite new for the crypto market, and it is gonna be like one of the great thing, not only in the crypto market. Digitalization of asset or tokenization of asset, or whatever you want to call it, would play an important role in the future. Not even this is not my saying. This is many people like BlackRock. It's quietly, if you have seen my BlackRock ETF video, if you haven't seen that, then check that out. Where I've told like BlackRock is heavily like interested in tokenization of asset, where they want to like have every beneficial owner and every beneficial seller to know who is buying and who is selling and other stuff. Like they are heavily like want to have a tokenization of asset on every single field. And so with that said, like this is gonna be a biggest sector in crypto if it survives, and I guess it will survive. But for that, this is the initial stage, and there will be lots of scam tokens, lots of projects that are gonna come out and will like have a like big like they will like literally scam lots of people. Lots of these tokens, there are lots of tokens, but I'm not quite interested in any one of them. Expect MakerDAO and Chainlink would be my one of the best coins to buy if I want to suggest it to anyone. If you want to have a exposure in the RWA sector, or the centrifuge and Pendle will like be a short term. If they have a quite a good news, then buying it in the range trading. Like centrifuge range trading is like pretty decent, and Pendle is like, this chart is in the Binance chart, so it's not quite big, but you can like do range trading over 80 cents and over 20 cents or 40 cents. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like got quite a good idea of RWA. If you guys like the video, make sure to give it a like. And drop a comment and what topic shall I make a next video on. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in next video. Sayonara.
Yeah, everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know.